When watching the video, consider the mirror, signal, maneuver procedure approaching junctions. This means, you first check your mirrors, then signal if necessary. You then slow down and consider your gear and road position. These videos will help you put all this into place. At the end of the road, you are turning left at a give-way line. How should you approach this junction? Check mirrors. Put a left signal on. Slow down. Use first gear. Position to the left and follow the curb around to the left. Is your view clear? Yes, it is. Is it safe to go? It seems so. You're stopped on a hill. What must you make sure you do? You must do a hill start. This means finding your bite before releasing a brake. You will notice as the driver arrived at the junction, they also had a look to the left. They are checking the road is clear left whilst also checking their position in the road. At the give-way line, you are turning right. What must you do approaching this junction? Check mirrors. Put a right signal on. Slow down. Use first gear. Position up to the center line. Is the view clear in this position? It is not. What must you do? You must crawl forwards very slowly to get a more clear view. If it is a junction with very poor visibility, you can lean forwards in your seat to try and get a better view. What hazard can we see up ahead? A single track bridge. How should we approach this hazard? We should arrive slowly and be ready to stop for oncoming traffic, being ready to pull to the left to give them space to pass. What hazard can we see up ahead? A sharp bend. How should we approach this hazard? We must slow down and use our judgment to assess the severity of the bend. We must match our speed and gear to this severity in order to go round safely. What gear do you think would be suitable for a bend this sharp? This bend looks particularly sharp, and so second gear looks to be a suitable gear. At the give-way line, you are turning right. What must you do approaching this junction? Check mirrors. Put a right signal on. Slow down. Use first gear. Position up to the center line. Did you notice anything then? The signal came off. What do you need to do? What are your thoughts on the visibility at this junction? It's very poor, particularly to the left. Are there any other hazards to be aware of? It is a narrow road with parked cars and you cannot see too far, so you should be ready for a potential meeting situation. Is it safe to make a decision in this position? How about now? What distance do we need to leave going round parked cars? 1 meter. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.